Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to demonstrate remote viewing of a process activity monitor, creation and termination events. We're going to use WMI inside of a very simple VBScript here to monitor the activity on a remote machine, output that to an Excel file, and use a MTEL program to tail the output. So we're going to view it in real time. So we're going to watch in real time processes as they create and they get terminated. We're going to do that on this remote machine here. This is JLongo 102. So this is where the server is going to be running. Right? This is where we need to have our little TCL web server that's going to host our scripts. These are all just basic VB scripts. So I've downloaded this VB script probably from the scripting guy forum, Ed Wilson's code. I don't write this code. It's all over the place, right? You can download millions of VBScript on the internet, and you really don't need to write it anymore because it's already there. It's already an established legacy language. And the machine that we're going to be viewing is over here, JLongo 100. So we can go ahead and start up our remote process monitor, and here we are. So I just went into process here. Let's go from the beginning. So here I have a whole bunch of methods to do pretty much everything that you can imagine, but here is the process section dedicated to processes. Here is our single device. Here's our process activity monitor. Here is our remote machine. I'm not running in a domain, so I don't have to worry about it. Here's my output file. Here's my username with admin rights. And I'm going to run this for about 5 minutes. Once we hit execute, we can look at our output folder, and we've created an output file. In that output file, I use a MTEL program to tail that file. And so this should show me all creation and termination events. And here we go. It's already starting to identify termination events. So we put them side by side here. I can see here's JLongo 100. Here's my host server that's monitoring JLongo 100. And here's background intelligent transfer service. Let's go ahead and stop it. And we can see that SVC host was just terminated because that's the process that's running. Let's go ahead and find some other. Let's go ahead and open this full screen, scroll to the bottom, and Windows Update. Let's go ahead and stop Windows Update. This should be another SVC host. Here we go. And so as you can see, we can also start, let's go ahead and start a browser. And we should see Opera pop up on the screen. And so that's how we take a very simple script, put it into a web server, and then we could use that web server as a Windows management utility. We can take a very simple script, add it to the console, and it becomes part of a utility. So I hope you enjoyed this video showing how I remotely view and use these scripts inside of a TCL web server. I hope you find it interesting, and please look for more videos in the future.